Welcome back. We continue to stay with the latest. We're picking up as far as the latest Chinese aggression along the LAC in Pagong Tso in eastern Ladakh is concerned. Taking a word from Sriram Chaulia as well. Sriram Chaulia, the Ministry of Defence has released a statement. Important points made by the MOD. But this once again puts the entire trust factor back under question. We've been talking about the trust factor since Galwan clashes, and now a big question mark once again on the same, because Chinese troops once again betraying the Indian Armed Forces, walking back on the consensus that they'd reached.
Yeah, this is the problem. I mean, they have not been cooperative at all. And they just attend these core commander level talks and other things as a matter of routine. But their intention is something else. Their intention is to try and grab territory, try to do this salami slicing, try to occupy vantage points and not to vacate them. We know that they have also been building airstrips in some of these occupied areas, and they have apparently put up 5G technology for wireless communication with the headquarters and the core headquarters further north in Xinjiang. So I think they are preparing to basically try and gobble territory, and this is where we have to be absolutely firm, and I think that their attempts have been thwarted is a good signal. It shows that India is alert to what they are up to, and we are going to evict them from every spot where they have now come in, and they are not going to be able to try and browbeat us. That's the first point. Secondly, I think the negotiations can go on. The winter is coming. The Chinese also need to save face before they can withdraw, but eventually they will, and we are going to ensure they will. We got a leadership under Prime Minister Modi, not an inch of our sovereign territory or even along the disputed lines, our perception of the line, we are not going to yield 1 inch of a perception of our line. So I think the Chinese know it. They have been asking that we should de-escalate, which means pull back troops, and only then they will disengage. So, and sometimes they've been very disingenuous and very crafty. They are saying both sides should disengage equal distance, but they are the ones who came in first. So if both of us disengage equal distance, it means they will remain in control of some territory which does not belong to them. So I think this country is fully mobilized under the Prime Minister's leadership. We are nationalistic. We are not going to yield an inch to the Chinese. They are mocking us, saying coronavirus is getting worse and worse. Today the Chinese propaganda, at the same time that they are trying to do this at LAC, they are claiming
and that's the key takeaway. The fact that the Indian Army preempted this PLA activity, not just that, the Indian Army also maintaining that we want to make sure that peace and tranquility exists, but also we will not compromise on our territorial integrity. Stay on with us, Sriram Chaulia. We need to take a short break here, but we'll be back and taking a word from you once again.